In this book, Elizabeti's doll, we watch as this little girl is watching and observing her mother and her sister. She is learning how to become a responsible adult when the time comes by watching her family members. She's learning new skills. She's learning how to care for a younger sibling or how to care for somebody she might be babysitting in the future. And so I want you to think of a skill that you have learned from watching or observing somebody in your family. Maybe you know how to get something off of a shelf by yourself that's too high, just to reach it regularly. Maybe you have learned how to flip pancakes. Maybe you have learned how to tie your shoes by watching an adult. I know that I am watching my own children as they watch and observe me and the school skills that they pick up. So my little boy, he loves Spam, and he has figured out by watching us how to open up his own can of Spam and which pan we use. And if I'm helping him, he'll even flip the Spam over. So that's something that he's learned by watching his mom and dad. So you can get out your reader's notebook, that green notebook, and draw a picture and label something that you've learned from the adult that's in your life.